It's 102 degrees outside. Go out and make some chicken fried rice. I'm gonna need like 2 or 3 of these. Yeah. Remember the level in Mario 3 where the sun was getting after you? Well, somebody send me a level skip whistle. I guess I probably should wash it first. Is this really what you guys are doing? Spit on that thing. Obi. Who's cooking near the grill? Yeah. You guys suggest me to try this one. Just a little bit. It's actually 2-day-old rice. It was hot yesterday and I wussed out. It's hotter today. I knew I had to get it done. It's gonna be a 2-panner. 1 dinner, 2 pans. I guess that's better than the alternative 1 guy, 1 pan. Make like a tree and get out of here. We're still outside. Go inside and get something to drink. It's hot out here. Suit yourself. I know what you're thinking. It's awful hot to be wearing a hoodie outside in 100 degrees. It's lightweight. You're not following me yet. Go ahead and change that so we can do this again. That's a warm one out there. Hey, wife. I made your favorite.
Thank you.
Chicken fried rice. You ready? It's my new catchphrase. Shazam!
Shazam!
No, I did not forget the yum yum sauce. I'll make it right now. A couple tablespoons of Duke's. As much as the good stuff you can handle. Marinating a while in the fridge, so I don't want to add too much. Garlic powder. Sesame oil will kick it up a notch. Give her a little mix and see where we're at. Close, but she's thick, so we're gonna add a little bit of water, thin her out. I'm not just about a couple tablespoons. Does that look like the yum yum sauce you get at the restaurant? Give her a taste. I guess that does need some more sriracha.
Oh.
You probably add a little bit of paprika if you need to, but it should be perfect as it is. Money. A little bit of honey or sugar to kind of cut off on the acidity a little bit, but I like it like that. Plate up. A little bit of green onions to garnish. Spread this out a little bit better. This looks amazing.
Are you sweaty?
I've been slaving over this hot meal for hours. Of course I'm sweaty. It was hot outside. Look, 102. Excuse me while I go marinate.